Okay, so we've got a Pistorm running in here, and I'm also running. Oopsie daisy. Do I pause it? Just can't. There we go. So we have AGA running very slowly in the background. And it's displaying in ham mode. So there's a lot of colours. Obviously not a lot of speed. But the Pistorm is pushing a lot through this internal graphic system. And as soon as the screen's not scrolling, you can see there's it's pretty cool though. Looks very colourful. And yeah, we're just using all the stuff in the background. We can see here we've still got some chip RAM left, so we're running everything through the chip RAM. And yeah, it's like as soon as the screen is still, you get 30 frames almost. And I've got a frame skip set at 2 and there's no sound, but there you have it.